Hello and welcome to the session on Amazon Augmented AI. This video is part of the AWS Certified AIML Bootcamp series. On behalf of the CloudExpert Solution team, I would like to thank you for joining us and exploring this video. In the world of machine learning algorithms, models are designed to process vast amount of data and make prediction with impressive accuracy. However, even the most advanced models can sometimes produce errors or uncertain results, especially when dealing with complex or ambiguous data. This is where human review becomes crucial. Human review is essential for several scenarios, like when you need accuracy and quality assurance. While machine learning models can handle repetitive tasks efficiently, they may struggle with nuances or context-specific information. Human reviews can verify and correct predictions to ensure highest level of accuracy and quality. Handling edge cases, machine learning models are trained on historical data, which may not cover all possible scenarios. Human reviewers can identify and address edge cases or rare occurrences that the model might not have encountered during the training. For ethical and sensitive decisions, there are certain decisions that require ethical consideration or a deep understanding of the context, which machines may lack. Human reviewers can provide that necessary judgment and sensitivity in such cases. And last but not least, continuous improvement. By reviewing and correcting machine learning predictions, human reviewers provide valuable feedback that can be used to retrain and improve the model. This iterative process helps enhance the model's performance over time. Here is a sample outcome of Amazon Recognition. If you are not familiar with Amazon Recognition, we have a dedicated session available on our channel and as part of this bootcamp playlist. I encourage you to review that video for a deeper understanding. We will provide the link of the video with this video description. In this image recognition example, Amazon Recognition predicted some objects with higher confidence score and some objects with lower confidence score. Now, human review can complement machine learning by adding a layer of verification, judgment, and continuous improvement for those cases where machine learning model's prediction score is not on the higher side or maybe below some threshold level. Amazon Augmented AI or A2I is a fully managed service provided by AWS that makes it easy to add human review to machine learning workflows. This ensures high accuracy for tasks that require human judgment, such as document processing, content moderation, and etc. Now let's review how Amazon Augmented AI works. To start with, here we have the input data, and then we have our AWS AI services or our custom model which may be built using SageMaker. Now we can integrate augmented AI with our AI services or even with custom AI model to review all those predictions. Now there will be two cases. Case 1, whenever the AI model generating predictions with high confidence score, we can return those results immediately to the client application. However, when there is a low prediction score or even the prediction score is below a threshold or even we can sample some random data, we can add human review. We can send those observations for human review. For human review, the review is considered using weighted scores, and post review we can send those observations to our client application. Now let's take a closer look at what Amazon Augmented AI can do for us. To start with, Amazon Augmented AI integrates seamlessly with other AWS AIML services like Amazon Textract for document processing and Amazon Recognition for content moderation. You can also integrate it with custom models built with Amazon SageMaker. We have flexibility in terms of reviewers. We can use our own team of reviewers, or we can scale up with an on-demand workforce through Amazon Mechanical Turk, or even we can hire third-party vendors from AWS Marketplace. We can provide clear and detailed instruction to reviewers to ensure consistency and accuracy. And these instructions can be updated at any point of time. Amazon Augmented AI provides pre-built workflows that route predictions to reviewers based on confidence thresholds or even for a random sampling. This simplifies the human review process and ensures high quality result. Now, if you have a classified workload or if your workload require confidentiality, then AWS Marketplace has pre-screened vendor to accommodate those requests. So you have an option to select regular vendors, also pre-screen vendors based on the confidentiality requirement. Now let's review the A to Y use cases. To start with document processing, we can use with Amazon TextTrack to review extracted text from documents like invoices, forms. We can also integrate with Amazon Recognition to review flagged content for inappropriate images or for videos. We can use for healthcare industries to review sensitive healthcare documents to ensure accuracy and compliance. And for financial services, we can process and review financial documents like loan applications and tax forms. Now let's review Amazon Augmented AI in action. Let's type Augmented in the service search option, and Amazon Augmented AI should be available at the top of the service search option. Let's click here, and here you go. We are in Amazon SageMaker screen, and now Amazon Augmented AI is pre-built or integrated with SageMaker. That is why we are landing into SageMaker screen, and this is the perfect place where you landed. Now to create the human review, we can create human review workflows. To create a workflow, we need to first provide the name of the workflow. We'll provide the name as CES Human Review Demo or CloudExpert Solution Human Review Demo. Next, we need to select a S3 bucket. So for that, we can go to S3 console. Here I have two S3 buckets. Maybe I'll select the Human Review Demo. And from there, I'll go to properties. I'll copy the S3 URL and I'll paste it here. For IAM role, I'm going to create a new role. I'll go with any S3 bucket and then create. It is going to create a role for me. Now here are the task types. Currently we have three different task types. One, the text track jobs, where we can review the key value pair that text track has extracted, and here human can review the key value pairs extracted by Amazon text track. The second option is image moderation, and we can get human review of unsafe content such as explicit adult content or violent content. And the third option is custom. If you have a custom model maintained by SageMaker or anywhere, you can use that model. For this demo, we are going to use the recognition image moderation job type. In the job trigger option, we have two options. Either we can trigger human review for labels identified by Amazon Recognition based on the confidence score. Let's select that one. And if the confidence score is between 0 to 80, then we can trigger a human review. And we can also add a random sampling based on the 5% of the result. So based on all those predictions it is making, we can make a 5% of sample size, and no matter the prediction score, whenever that 5% will come, it will pick randomly and it will send for the human review. Next is worker task template creation. Again, you can either create from a default template or you can use your own template. Now, for this, I can go and create from a default template. And here my template name I can provide image review template. Now here we can do the template design. Here is the description of the template. You can provide the description you want. Maybe I'll copy the description. And here is the detailed instruction. You can provide the detailed instruction here. In this instruction, you can provide very explicit instructions. And here are some categories. Since we are doing a picture moderation, We can either identify if there is any nude content, or is there any graphic male nudity, is there any sexual activity and all. I'm not going to read all those categories for you. And then we have additional instruction. If you want to add any additional instruction, you can add here. Next is worker types. If you remember, we have three different types of workers. Either we can use our own workforce, then we need to select the private. If you want to use Amazon Mechanical Turk, where we have close to 500,000 workers, on-demand workers, there it can be assigned. And third, you can select the vendor from AWS Marketplace. Now let's select Amazon Mechanical Turk, and here you can define the price. And the pricing from this 0.012 cent up to $1.2 you can assign based on your task. We'll go with, let's say, maybe 0.24, and that is the price per task. Now there are additional configuration. How many workers you want per object? Maybe I'll go with one worker per object. Task timeout, maximum time a worker can work on single task. You can assign that. Maybe you can say that maximum you want 1 hour. And task expiration time, if you want to set anything, let's put 1 day. So like this way, you can configure the human review workflow. And for this example, we have selected recognition image moderation. And here is my sampling rate. I am going to trigger that review whenever the prediction score is below 80% and randomly based on the 5% of the sample size. I have given the detailed instruction here. I am going to choose Amazon Mechanical Turk, and the price per task is like this. Additional configuration is optional. I have set that additional configuration as well. The next is you need to create that task. That is all you should know about Amazon Augmented AI for this certification. That wraps up this module. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more update, and feel free to drop any question or feedback in the comments. We would love to hear from you. I hope this session helped you gain a deeper understanding and brought you one step closer to your learning goals. Thank you very much for watching and learning with us at CloudExpert Solution. See you in the next module.